Добрый день. Today I shall tell you how to moon forge your blade. You must, of course, wait for a full moon, and then the night of the full moon, when the sky is clear and the moon in its fullness floats over the sky. Take your steel and leave it out for the moon to harden. For we know this steel was made hard by a blacksmith. He heated it red hot. At red hot it is very flexible and soft. He hardened it by cooling it quickly. For cooling is what makes a blade hard. And as the sun is hot, the moon is cold. Step out. Under a full moon, you will feel the cold on your face when you step out from the shadow into the light of the moon. And this coldness hardens steel. The winter is cold because the night is longer. There is more time for the moon to freeze. So, as the blacksmith cools the steel to make it hard, the moon also will cool the steel and make it hard. You lay it out, and if you have, you should lay silver underneath the blade. For because the moon is made of silver, it is cold like silver, and so it helps the moon forging. And on a winter full moon, when there is frost in the air, the steel absorbs the strength of the moon. And if your blade is moon forged with silver on a winter full moon, your blade gains the ability to wound and kill vampire, werewolf, and other creatures of supernatural disposition. Do not neglect to moon forge your blades this winter, for the night is long and full of terror.